Tapestry that's in the queue here. It's really pretty elaborate.
Thank you. Well, we went through great detail to make sure that all of the details in here are really specific to Norway, and they also help the story of Anna and Elsa as young girls. So the entire story of the cabin is that this was the cabin they came to with their family in the summer. This was kind of their relaxation place, and so you'll see everything around the cabin kind of tells that story, shows sort of their family heritage. So some of the tapestries we have are very specific to Norway, and some of them are actually a fun nod to the Maelstrom attraction, as you may have seen earlier.
Can you talk about the one right behind you?
Sure. So this is kind of a traditional Viking tapestry, but as you can see, we've got sort of the flag of Arendelle. So again, very traditional Norwegian style, with that little touch to kind of harken back to the story of the girls.
Lauren, with the attraction, was there any change to the actual track itself? Because it seems a little bit longer than before.
Yes, we did add a couple new show scenes, but for the most part it is the same ride system, same track as the Maelstrom.
And the puffins are the only throwback to Maelstrom?
The puffins are a great throwback to Maelstrom, so you'll be able to see them as you go around and catch a little glimpse of them hanging out.
And in this Anna and Elsa's Royal Summer House, this is a totally new building or reclaimed from somewhere else?
This is do you want me to look at the camera? Or?
Yeah.
Okay. This is a completely new area. This was actually an old expansion pad, so we've created this new space to really extend the architectural story of Norway. So this is a new space for Anna and Elsa, but steeped in their family history.
Okay, and you said the Imagineers went to Norway and brought all this ideas back?
Yes, the Imagineering creative team actually traveled to Norway to really kind of firsthand get a look at the areas that this cabin and all of the area development are based off of, to really get a good idea of the folk art styles, the painting, the architecture, and really bring that to life here.
Okay, and this cabin is a typical what you would find in Norway?
Yes, it is. It's actually based on a real cabin in Trondheim, Norway.